You hear the roar, feel each jolt, and witness the violent chaos as the giant machine devours steel, wood, and plastic. This isn't random destruction, it's a mechanical symphony of modern recycling. At the 109 U Pullet scrapyard, you'll see two mechanical beasts working side by side. The engine biter rips engines clean out of cars, while the car crusher flattens them like pancakes. It's not just a jaw-dropping sight, but also a cost-effective and far safer recycling method compared to manual labor. The VB950 DK doesn't just shred, it orchestrates destruction. Its massive 38-ton frame stays stable, while the rotors slice through beams and doors. The sight of steel folding effortlessly leaves a lasting impression. True engineering power combines brute force with elegance. The excavator's claw isn't just brute force. It's an engineering masterpiece. With hydraulic pressure often exceeding 5,000 psi, the jaws grip and tear apart frames systematically. Every piston stroke is calculated efficiency, turning a wreck into recyclable chunks. What happens to the steel after the CI-7000 slices it into chunks? Does it head to smelters or get pressed into compact cubes for resale? Recycling isn't just about destruction, it's about giving metal a second life, and that's worth asking. Fresh liners bring a sharper bite, like teeth on soft bread. With the feeder steady, rocks flow like a calm river, filling jaws fully. Vibration sifts fines apart like sand through fingers. guided gently, efficiency rises, wear drops, and the crusher hums like a quiet companion. The Hamel shredder runs with a twin-shaft system delivering up to 700 horsepower. Its hydraulic drive balances torque with control, ensuring the car body feeds steadily without clogging. That's engineering mastery where raw force meets precision. From the outside, it looks like a mechanical beast calmly chewing through chaos. Workers stand clear, trusting automation to handle danger. This is industrial power, redefined, controlled, efficient, and relentless. Anyone who's spent years around chippers knows jammed rotors are nightmares. But the Beaver 92's 920 mm drum keeps momentum even on knotted trunks. That means less downtime, more chips, and fewer headaches for crews on the yard. The sight of steel jaws clamping down on granite is pure mechanical theater. The C-50 doesn't just crush, it orchestrates force, energy, and momentum in harmony, proving why it's one of the most respected crushers worldwide. The Red Giant's dual shafts rotate with brutal calm, each tooth biting metal like it's bread crust. Designed in Austria, this machine handles 65 tons per hour. That's not just performance, It's industrial dominance. The engine that just stood intact is torn apart in seconds under the shredder's blades, a scene that showcases the sheer dominance of machinery. In the industrial world, speed and strength have the power to change the entire game. Seeing a Boeing 747 dismantled feels bittersweet. Once called the Queen of the Skies, it carried millions of travelers across oceans. Now, hydraulic jaws fold her ribs like paper, proving even legends must yield to time and recycling. Imagine tossing your old couch in and watching it vanish like magic. PRI Max, or PR 6X600, is basically the ultimate stress reliever. Just don't try it with your ex's stuff unless you run a licensed facility. The AC200 is purpose-built for aluminum, with torque calibrated to bite into 6-inch thick radiators. Its dual shafts synchronize like gears in a watch. Efficiency isn't luck. It's the outcome of design math meeting raw horsepower. Hard to believe twin augers can reduce a full wooden crate to splinters in seconds. The controlled bite is shocking, like watching a slow-motion earthquake tearing timber apart with perfect rhythm. What happens to those shredded raffia fibers next? Do they get melted into pellets for new packaging or rewoven into products? The shredder is just step one. The real curiosity lies in how waste turns back into value on the other side. The precision of this 3-inch shredder is jaw-dropping, teeth align like clockwork, tearing fibers clean without choking. Watching cardboard vanish into confetti feels less like destruction and more like art in motion. The red paint bucket shredder looks like raw muscle in motion. At full throttle, 60,000 kPa, it transforms waste into neat fragments, proving that engineering isn't just power, it's precision dressed in steel. Engineers admire how the M&J 4000M integrates a 447 HP Volvo Penta engine with hydraulic precision, allowing paper bales to be shredded evenly. That mix of brute torque and measured pressure is what keeps the process efficient yet safe for operators. The real wow is in the reverse drive. Most machines stall on stubborn debris, but RS60 simply flips rotation and keeps chewing. That kind of resilience turns what could be downtime into smooth, unstoppable processing. Comar's press applies thousands of pounds of hydraulic force, converting potential energy into crushing power that makes steel fold like cardboard. That's engineering precision, calibrated cylinders, balanced hydraulics, and controlled feed rates. The SBR4 screen shines when paired with a Hitachi ZW250 loader. The loader feeds at steady torque, while the 35mm mesh separates fine, sticky particles. That's engineering harmony, raw power, and precise screening in one system. Standing near a bug-knot BPM 3000 feels like flirting with danger. A 300 HP PTO drives steel teeth that crush stones up to 16 inches deep. One wrong move and debris can launch. Safety gear isn't optional, it's survival. Respect the power before it respects you. From the outside, the WEMA ZM50 and TH1500 looked like two machines dancing in sync. One shreds, the other presses, and together they close the loop in aluminum recycling. It's teamwork in heavy steel. Years in scrapyards teach one thing: size matters. Once aluminum doors and copper wires hit this Maxon shredder, the reduced volume cuts transport costs in half. That's not just recycling, it's smart business built on experience. The spray pattern from the TRD-40 is nothing short of stunning. Uniform mist blankets an entire work zone, cutting visibility of dust to zero. That's industrial art. Controlled force transforming dangerous air into clean breathing space. Anyone in quarry work knows a VSI like the V2050 saves on wear parts. Its heavy-duty 6-port rotor handles abrasive stone better, cutting downtime and lowering cost. Experience shows efficiency isn't speed, it's less time fixing breakdowns. How does Komar keep concrete from clogging those rotors? The answer's in torque distribution. Constant pressure prevents jams, while hardened steel teeth grind the barrel down. It makes you wonder how much tougher material it could handle. The balance of hydraulic arms guiding logs into the chamber feels like choreography. Every bite is calculated, every splinter proof of controlled power. Machines like this redefine recycling, not messy destruction, but precision engineering at massive scale. The clean crunch of plastic under the U-45 feels oddly satisfying. "30 kilowatts working in harmony with hardened steel teeth, turning chaos into uniform shredded flakes ready for a new life." Whoa, watching a Feuerpoler Taufan screen move tons of rock like popcorn is mind-blowing. The whole frame vibrates yet never collapses, proof that steel design and dynamic balance can tame chaos into productivity. From the outside, the scene looks surreal. Workers feed in ordinary car tires, and seconds later, the conveyor spits out OTR-sized cuts. To bystanders, it's a show of brute force. To engineers, it's controlled energy harnessed for recycling. There was a time when shredders jammed after just a few loads of carpet or wood. Watching the Haas 2000 breeze through mixed waste feels like stepping into the future. The past was downtime, today is momentum. Whoa, who knew a 5,000 kilo attachment could snap through I-beams like chopsticks? The OD60R makes impossible look routine. It's not magic, just raw force applied with surgical precision. Engineers designed the Montabert Vezin 7000 to deliver precise shear force, 110 bar of hydraulic pressure directed straight into steel beams. It's not brute chaos, it's controlled engineering elegance. You've seen steel twisted, cars shredded, and century-old logs crushed to dust. If this blew your mind, hit like, drop a comment on your favorite moment, and subscribe now, because even crazier machines are coming.